This is an introduction to the Leatherman Charge AL multi-tool. I've noticed Leatherman has made a lot of changes lately. This is one new tool that is really good. The new black anodized grips not only look good, they are good. This tool grips the best of any Leatherman. The new grips are smooth and contoured and do not pinch the hand. Anyway, here's what comes in the box. The leather sheath, the bit kit with 6 assorted bits, the removable pocket clip, and the removable lanyard ring, and one of the best multi-tools made, the Leatherman Charge AL. On the outside of the Charge case are 2 knife blades. A straight blade with a smooth edge with a liner lock. If that won't do the job, a serrated blade, also locked in place. Also, on the outside case of the tool, the wood saw. The wood saw is also locked into place. And the final tool, diamond file and crosscut file. This is the crosscut blade. This is the diamond blade. It also locks into place. The Leatherman Charge pliers are well engineered and feature the round gripping area with teeth. And also the narrow jaws out here are serrated for better traction. Also included are the soft and hard wire cutters. These pliers are very effective, due in part to the new aluminum grip, which allows such a strong gripping action. On this side of the handle are 3 implements: scissors, small straight and Phillips screwdriver bit, and the large straight screwdriver bit. And these scissors are very convenient to use, even cutting nylon wire ties. Each implement on this side locks into place. On this side of the handle is the bit driver with replaceable Phillips and straight screwdriver bit and a combination bottle and can opener. The Charge makes a very powerful screwdriver. And again, on this side, all the items are locked into place. Okay, to finish up, I'm going to install the removable pocket clip. It goes right here, just slides into place. To remove it, press the lock, pull it out. Same thing with the removable lanyard ring. Press the lock, push it in, press the lock, remove it. All in all, the Leatherman Charge AL, one of the best multi-tools going. Get a Leatherman, get equipped.